This is exercise 2A, striding out. So right hand, we've got 5 on B flat, thumb on D. Now the right hand has to be mainly smooth and the left hand has to be quite staccato, bouncy, spiky notes. So you've got a lot of jumping around to do. I'll play it really slowly. Hop the right. Hold the finger 2 in the right hand on E flat and add the third finger. It's really important to get 1 and 4 here, and then the bunny ears, 3 and 2 onto the E and C sharp. I'm going to play that at the normal speed now.